Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Monday.com Pulses, a comprehensive guide to help you master the art of creating and managing pulses on the Monday.com platform. To start, let's define what pulses are. Pulses are the building blocks of Monday.com, representing individual items or tasks within a board. Each pulse can contain a variety of information, including text, dates, numbers, and more. The first tip is to keep your pulses organized by using clear and descriptive titles. This will help you and your team quickly identify the purpose of each pulse, making it easier to manage and track progress. Next, learn how to use pulse columns effectively. Columns allow you to add additional information to each pulse, such as due dates, priorities, and assignments. By using columns strategically, you can create a customized workflow that suits your team's needs. Another key concept is pulse updates. Pulse updates enable you to communicate with team members and stakeholders directly within the pulse. This feature helps to keep all relevant discussions and information in one place, reducing email clutter and improving collaboration. To take your pulse management to the next level, use automation recipes. Automation recipes allow you to set up custom workflows that automate repetitive tasks, such as sending notifications or updating pulse statuses. By leveraging automation, you can streamline your workflow and increase productivity. Best practices for managing pulses include regularly reviewing and updating pulse information, using tags and filters to categorize and prioritize pulses, and establishing clear workflows and protocols for your team. In conclusion, mastering Monday.com pulses is essential for effective project management and team collaboration. By following these tips and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of the Monday.com platform and take your team's productivity to new heights. With clear titles, effective use of columns, pulse updates, automation recipes, and regular maintenance, you can create a robust and efficient workflow that drives success.